It was a cold morning in the city, the kind that made people pull their coats tighter and walk a little faster. Daniel, a struggling bakery owner, watched as customers passed his shop, their eyes glancing at the warm loaves behind the glass but never stepping inside. Business had been slow, and bills were piling up. He wondered how much longer he could hold on. Across the street, an old man sat on the pavement, his hands trembling from the cold. A cardboard sign lay beside him. Hungry. Daniel sighed. He barely had enough for himself, but something inside him nudged him forward. He stepped outside, carrying a loaf of fresh bread. "Here," Daniel said, placing it in the old man's hands. "No charge, just eat." The man looked up, eyes filled with surprise. "Why? You don't even know me." Daniel shrugged. "Everyone deserves a warm meal." The old man nodded and began eating, slowly at first, then faster. Daniel returned to his shop, feeling a warmth he hadn't felt in a long time. The day passed, and business remained the same quiet, uncertain. That night, he wondered if he had made a mistake giving away food when he barely had enough to survive. The next morning, as he prepared to open the shop, a line had formed outside. Dozens of people, chatting and waiting, their eyes bright with anticipation. Confused, Daniel unlocked the door. A well-dressed man stepped forward. "I saw what you did yesterday," he said, handing Daniel a business card. "That man you helped? He used to be a famous food critic. He wrote about your kindness in the paper this morning." Daniel's hands trembled as he took the card. "I didn't do it for recognition." The man smiled. "That's why it matters." Within days, customers flooded in, eager to support the bakery of the man who had given without expecting anything in return. Daniel's business thrived. But more than that, he realized kindness wasn't about getting something back, it was about giving, even when you had little. And somehow, life always found a way to return the favor.